Moving on to the third month, it's time to finally learn the most exciting part, that is machine learning. We started with a simple introduction along with its various types. We started with linear regression, its assumptions, residuals, and all such important concepts that help us in understanding the fundamentals of how linear regression algorithm works. Got complete picture about pre-processing steps, analysis of data and model building, and more importantly how to evaluate the model as well. Moving ahead, we learned about intuition behind logistic regression and its fundamental concepts in terms of metrics and functions. These concepts are very basic but extremely important in understanding the internal working of the algorithm. Our next algorithm was k-nearest neighbor concepts, its model building and fundamentals. After understanding these three algorithms, we were taught a few standalone concepts like PCA, finding best parameters, grid search CV, and randomized search CV. These are a few add-ons that help in improving the overall performance of our algorithms. Then we have decision tree. They are very useful tree-based algorithms. We studied about entropy, information gain, Gini impurity, and model building using decision trees.